Hey, what's up, fam? How y'all doing? Happy New Year. Let's keep this party going. You know what I'm saying? Check it out. Today on the menu, today's special is going to be Patrick's spaghetti and meatballs with fried calamari. Now peep it out. Now, as you guys know, I just hooked it up on the last episode. I had a meatball, Italian spicy meatball sandwich, but I had a little leftovers. And you know me, I ain't throwing away nothing. You know what I'm saying? So I'm about to crack it off and get started with some spaghetti. You know what I'm saying? And throw a little calamari on there. Now first and foremost, I got my noodles already started. You see what I'm saying? Got a little fresh zucchini up in there. Some fresh parsley. And I got some tomatoes. Let's give it a little black pepper. Huh? You know what I'm saying? I already got my little olive oil up in there. Then I'm gonna mix this around, get this going. You know what I'm saying? And I'll come right back to this. Now, as far as the calamari, let me clean this up real quick. As far as the calamari, got some fresh calamari, clean that up, slice that up. Bam, dried it off. I let it season, I let it marinate. I let it season with some, salt, pepper, some parsley, some other fresh things I got up in there, as well as I let it soak in some lemon juice and some white wine. Now what I'm gonna do, I got my little mixture right here, my flour mixture, and so I demonstrate one. Wanna get it all the way through. All right, that's my dry hand. Now I'm gonna take it over here, get my wet hand, got a little egg wash, right? Little Italian seasoned breadcrumbs inside the basket or so. You know what I'm saying? So let me go ahead and take care of this real quick and I'll be right back. Word. Oh, y'all done caught me now. Hey, we done hook it up. We got, excuse me. Today's special, Patrick, named after my little nephew out there in Germany, spaghetti and meatballs with some fried calamari. Now what I did, like I said, I just cooked that spaghetti Italian meatball sandwich. I had some leftovers, and I went ahead and hooked that up. And it'll be posted on the Facebook page. And then with this calamari, man, outstanding. But look here, fam, I got to go, because I got to get the next meal prepared. You know that New Year's resolution that we always do. You know that's going to be some, I can't tell you that. My producer said I can't tell you just exactly what it is. But y'all be cool. I'll catch y'all a little bit later. Take care now.